Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download videos from TikTok. If you want to save TikTok videos directly to your phone, here's how to download them quickly using the app or other simple methods. So to start, open TikTok, find the video that you want, tap the share icon or the arrow one right here, and you should see save video in here, and the video will be saved to your gallery if you click on that. Now, if save video is missing, some creators disable downloads. If you don't see the option, try the next method. So method 2 is use the copy link and the downloader site. So to do that, tap the share icon, tap on copy to copy the link. Now open another tab and go to a TikTok downloader website. Now in here, paste the link. So press Ctrl V to paste it and click on download. Now, this often works even if download is disabled. So click on download video to download it to your computer. And as you can see, we've just downloaded the video from TikTok. So this often works even if download is disabled. So take note that some videos are protected and always respect the creator's content and give credit if reposting. And that's basically it. You can now download TikTok videos easily using these methods. Thanks for watching.